Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Mixing in Glass. So today here we are making a cocktail. It's amazing highball with this liqueur. Amazing. This liquor I have found in a liquor shop, and they have two another variant in this. This is amazing vodka with apple flavor. This is amazing vodka with cranberry flavor. And the cocktail which I'm making here with the use of this amazing plain vodka. So let's get started to making an amazing highball. So making this amazing highball drink, we need a highball glass. So you can use any kind of highball glass, whatever available at your home and at a bar. We need a ice for that, which is already in a glass. We need any kind of syrup, but I suggest you can use any flower liqueur in it. So I'm using lavender syrup in it. So here I'm using 5 ml of lavender. I'm using this amazing plain vodka, 45 ml of this, and top it up with soda water. I'm using this bitter truth celery bitter in it, a few drops of this, so that we can get the flavor of the celery bitter in it. Now to give nice gently stirred so that all the flavor will mix together, and when we taste this drink we'll get each and every flavor which we have added in the glass. That's it. For the garnish I'm using this flour. So ladies and gentlemen, this is an amazing vodka drink. It's time to sip and I'll tell you how the flavor profile of this cocktail is. It's nice highball drink, and I can get some celery bitter in it. I get some this lavender syrup which I have used in it, and the vodka, it's really nice. Cheers to everyone.